Hey guys, this is Al. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make $50 over and over again using Chime. Alright, now let me tell you how the story began. Alright, a couple weeks ago, I was looking online for a bank because I had signed up for some affiliate programs, and I also signed up for some other programs I knew I was going to get royalties from. And I was like, I need a new bank because I wanted to keep the fresh money separate from the old money. Okay. So what happens is I signed up with Chime, and I like the bank because number one, it has no fees, and they allow you to save money by simply rounding up your Chime purchases that you make with your with your Chime debit card, and they round it up to the next dollar, and then that amount is then transferred to your Chime savings account, so you can spend money and still make money. All right, but that wasn't the cool part. That was pretty cool, but that wasn't the really cool part. The really cool part was the fact that I found out that the bank doesn't spend a lot of money on marketing with a marketing agency. What they decided to do was basically they wanted to promote the bank using their customers, basically me, and the rest of you people who use Chime. All right. So what happens here is that they give you a link that you can share with your friends, your family, basically with everybody. And once that person signs up with Chime and links their direct deposit, you get paid 50 bucks. And guess what? They also get paid 50 bucks. So what happens is I shared it with a few of my friends, and after I shared it with a few of my friends and I got paid, I was like, let me share it with you guys. So I decided to share it with you guys so you can get paid as well. So there's a link below this video, and you can sign up for a Chime account. I love the bank. I do a lot of research before I sign up with anything because I am skeptical about pretty much everything. Okay, so I did a lot of research and I found out about this bank, and I've been very happy. So check out the link below. Click on that if you want to earn $50. Plus, if you want to find out more about Chime. And also, if you'd like to subscribe to this channel to find out more about money making ideas or money saving ideas, or you just want to follow my semi-interesting life, all right, then do that and subscribe to this channel. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. I will be making more videos, and stay tuned. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one.